Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create and use a powerful correlation trading strategy right inside TradingView. If you've ever wondered how different assets move in relation to each other and how to use that insight to improve your trades, then this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to visualize correlations on your charts so you can make smarter, more informed trading decisions. Alright, let's dive right in. Before we jump to the charts, let's quickly talk about what correlation actually is and why it's such a big deal in trading. Correlation is basically a measure of how two assets move in relation to each other. If two symbols have a strong positive correlation, they tend to move up and down together, almost like dance partners in sync. If they have a strong negative correlation, they move in opposite directions. Like a seesaw, when one goes up, the other tends to go down. Knowing these relationships can help you diversify your portfolio, spot new opportunities, and even manage your risk better. Now, let me show you exactly how to compare two symbols on TradingView. On your chart, look for the plus button, usually up near the top toolbar. Give that a click. This lets you add another symbol onto your current chart so you can see both at once. For this example, let's add USD, the US dollar, but you could pick any symbol you'd like to compare. Maybe EURUSD in gold or S&P 500 in Bitcoin. The idea is to see how they interact. After you've added the second symbol, things might look a bit messy with two price plots overlaid. Here's a little trick to make things a lot clearer. Change the new symbol's chart style to line. You can do this by clicking right on the symbol or in the chart settings. Choosing the line style helps you see the trends more clearly, especially when the original asset is also in line format. It's a bit like tracing two paths on a map with markers, way easier to spot where they follow similar paths and where they split. Another small but useful touch, you can also change the color of the line for your new symbol. Head over to the symbol's settings, usually just a little gear icon, and pick a color that stands out against your main chart. This not only makes things visually cleaner, but it also helps your brain process the comparison faster. Trust me, when you're scanning for patterns, these little tweaks make a big difference. If you want to go even deeper, TradingView allows you to add indicators that help quantify the relationship between your chosen symbols. A fantastic tool for this is the Correlation Coefficient indicator. Search for it in the Indicators tab and add it to your chart. When prompted, select something like DXY as the comparison symbol or whichever asset you're interested in. The Correlation Coefficient indicator gives you a value between +100 and -1. Here, what that means, a value closer to 1 indicates that the assets are strongly positively correlated, moving together. A value near -1 means they move in opposite directions, while a value around 0 says there's almost no relationship, they're just doing their own thing. This is super helpful for traders who want clear, objective confirmation rather than just eyeballing the charts. And honestly, that's the core of correlation trading on TradingView. It's quick, it's visual, and it can open up a whole new way of thinking about your trades. Don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly the first time you try it. With a little practice, it'll become second nature. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, or if there are other strategies you'd love me to cover, drop a comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more actionable trading tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.